Okay, so this is the biggest thing I've ever unboxed. So let's get into it. So this is the 21.5-inch iMac from 2019. So let's see what's inside this massive box. So this should be the keyboard, but let me try to take this out first. Okay, so inside here you get your power cord. Okay. Let's throw all the things aside. Oh, okay. Okay, I was expecting a little bit bigger because the box is like so massive. Behind here you have your sticker. Okay, let's open this up. Okay. Oh my god. It's time for some ASMR. Okay, so this is the 21.5-inch iMac, and what you'll get is this screen, and you get your power cord. And let's see what's inside here. Oh, okay. So inside you have your Magic Keyboard, Apple's Magic Keyboard, which is a nice thing. You have a keyboard. Let me push this aside. Then you have the mouse, Apple Magic Mouse, 2nd generation. And also some paper and a cloth. Some paper and a cloth. Last but not least, you get your lightning cable. So let's talk about the Magic Mouse 2nd generation first. So this 2nd generation actually looks pretty much similar to the 1st generation Magic Mouse. So you still get this white plastic top that rests on the aluminium cover. And this time around, it also gets a built-in rechargeable battery that you can charge via a lightning cable at the bottom. The Apple logo. Okay, so while this iMac is starting up, let's talk about its design. So the design is actually pretty much similar to the 2017 version. You'll still get the very sleek look and a very thin screen. And at the back, you'll still notice there's some ports. So at the back, you'll get a 3.5mm headphone jack, a SD card slot, then there's 4 USB-A port, 2 USB-C port, and also a LAN port. Oh, it seems like our iMac has already started up, so let's talk about its display. So the one I have here with me comes in a 21.5-inch Retina 4K display, and it also has a resolution of 4096x2304. It also has a 16:9 LED panel, and it also has 500 nits of brightness. So if you want a larger screen, you can always get a 27-inch iMac, but it will definitely cost you more. So the stand is also unadjustable like the previous iMac, but you can always tilt your screen up or down just the way you like it. Out of the box, this iMac supports Mac OS Mojave, so it also comes with a couple of useful features. So the one that I personally like is of course the dark mode, because it's pleasant to see and it is not very striking as the white one. There's also stacks which can automatically organize your desktop based on the file types. So this is actually pretty good for those who has a messy desktop. You know who you are! So one of my favorite feature is of course the continuity camera. So this feature allows you to scan your documents or insert a photo directly from your iPhone with just a few clicks, which is pretty convenient. Okay, so now let's get back to its hardware specs. So this time around, Apple has actually improved their GPU, graphics as well as RAM for this generation of iMac. So the 21.5-inch iMac I have here with me comes with 8th generation 3.0 GHz Core i5 processor with 6 core and turbo support up to 4.1 GHz. If you need more power, the iMac 21.5-inch also comes with Core i7 option. You can also configure your iMac to a Core i9 processor, but that's only available on the bigger 27-inch iMac. This is also the first iMac to support 6-core CPU because the previous generation only comes with quad-core CPU. So having more cores is actually better for those who does a lot of multitasking, especially you are the ones who does a lot of video editing and photo editing. So this time, Apple has also upgraded their graphics card. So this model I have here with me comes with 4GB Radeon Pro 560X. Besides that, it also gets 8GB of RAM and 1TB of Fusion drive. But if that's not enough, you can always configure your iMac to a 32GB of RAM and also 1TB of SSD storage. So now let's talk about its price. So the specific configuration here I have with me is priced at 6,499 ringgit, and it comes with Apple Magic Mouse 2 as well as Magic Keyboard. And for those of you who didn't know, iMac usually comes with 1-year warranty, and you can also get 90 days of complimentary technical support. So that's all from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that we informed whenever we post a new video. So do check out our latest video here, and also another video here. Okay, I will catch you in the next one. Bye!